If you're in a painful and struggling marriage, then it's up to you to disrupt the pattern and make some changes that will last a lifetime, as opposed to just serving as band-aids when you really need surgery. Fortunately, there is a way to radically transform your marriage within 4 months. And you can do this without couples counseling or spending tons of time dredging up the past. And you can do it in such a way that your relationship ends up being better than it was even before your problems started. So here's some real proof so you know I'm not making this up. I've helped over 200 couples not just break decades of the same old patterns, but sustain these changes for years and counting. Now, if you want to learn how this works, I teach a workshop where I share the exact steps my clients take. You can watch this presentation now if you click the link underneath this video. That's going to take you to this sign-up page where you can join me. So look, it doesn't even matter if you're the only one that wants to save the marriage. It doesn't even matter if you're already talking divorce. The problems that you're having right now can become a distant memory within months. So to learn how, just click on the link below and I will see you there.